just what to say.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all.
Hai guys, jadi sekarang aku mau kuliner sama teman aku dan kita udah janjian ada di suatu tempat. Pokoknya ikutin terus ya. Bye bye. Janjian jam 2, sekarang udah jam 3. Dia belum datang juga. Mana sih orangnya? Kita hari ini tuh mau kuliner. Udah deh, pokoknya ikut aja. Mumpet kan? Banyak juga. Pokoknya ikutin aja ya. Pokoknya dijamin kita bakalan kemana? Kesana kali. Ayo. Jangan guys.
I said DAWIN Salento. They can imitate you the way your body's moving. You got something special about to make me lose it. I like the way you move, girl. I like the way you move, girl. They can imitate you, but they can't duplicate you. Cause you got something special that makes me wanna taste you. I want it all day long. I'm addicted.
Hai guys, jadi kita udah sampai ke tempat yang kita tuju. Ini tuh apa namanya? Warung stick. Jadi di sini tuh kita nih lihat deh sini deh. Ini aku pesen apa ya tadi namanya? Burger chicken. Harganya cuma 19.500 dan dia pesen apa?
Aku harus coba lihat ya, kayak enak banget ya, kriuk-kriuk gitu ya.
Asik.
Samsam.
Bisa beli. Iya ini. Jadi kita pesen banyak. Pokoknya di sini tuh harganya murah, tapi nggak murahan. Pokoknya masih enak deh. Dan bakal bisa ngilangin stres, galau, macam-macam.
Kita makan dulu yuk.
Ya kita cobain dulu ya.
Itadakimasu.
Nih guys, mau nggak? Jangan mau ya, pasti kalian mau deh ketagihan. Aku mau cobain kentangnya dulu.
Ada.
Kenapa? Enak banget, mau nggak?
Ini warung steak ada kriuk-kriuk gitu loh.
Ya, ini enak banget sih. Ya kan, bisa bikin lupa semua kan. Mau nggak?
Gua
Panas banget sumpah. Abang sih. Kenapa?
Gave you the key when the door wasn't open. Just admit it. See, I gave you faith, turned your doubt into hope, and can't deny it. Now I'm all alone and my joys turn them open. Tell me, where are you now that I need you? Where are you now? Where are you now that I need you? Couldn't find you anywhere. When you broke down, I didn't leave you. Oh, I was by your side. So where are you now that I need you? Where are you now that I need you?
Ini adalah terakhir.
Ya, jadi sekarang kita mau pulang. Pokoknya
buat kalian yang belum pernah coba ke sini harus coba.
ya kan bikin kamu happy.
Bye bye.
I gave you attention when nobody else was playing. I gave you the shirt off my back, what you saying? To keep you warm. I showed you the game everybody else was playing. That's for sure. And I was on my knees when nobody else was praying. Oh Lord. Where are you now that nature?